Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video, we will learn how to download and install VSDC video editor on Windows 11. So here I have Windows 11 installed, and to download and install VSDC video editor, we would simply go and open up any browser. In my case, I'll go with the Google Chrome browser, and here I will type in for VSDC video editor. And if I scroll down a bit, here you can see videosoftdev.com. This is the site of VSDC. So simply go and open that. And here you can see video editor. And once you go down below, you can see the video editor, all the things. And here we go. Now to download this, what you need to do is simply go to downloads at the top, click on video editor. And here you need to first check which version you want to download. To check the version of your computer, what you need to do is you need to go to, I believe, My PC, view PC name, and here under view PC name you will be able to see here you can see this one, system type. So you can see system type is 64-bit operating system. There are two types. One is 32-bit, the second one is 64-bit. So it's 64-bit x64 processor. So we would download the 64-bit version. Here you can see 64 version. So download this. And the download has started. So it could take a while because I believe the server is quite slow. It's picking up speed, but it would take a bit of a time. So I will join you back. No, it's going fast. So we would continue this video. So here you can see just wait for a while, and the download will be complete within few more seconds. So simply wait. We are almost done, and here we go. The download is complete. Now you can open it from here, or you can always go to your download folder and open it from here. So I've just opened it up, and it could take a while to open this. Simply go and allow the permissions. Simply go and click on OK. Click on next. Accept the agreement. Next, 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 and next. Now again next. Install. And now wait for a while. The VSDC video editor will install few of the needed software bits during the process. So here you can see it's now installing the Microsoft Visual C++, and now it's installing the video editor itself. So wait for a while. We are almost near to completion. So finishing installation, it would open up a link. Just go and close that. Open up the video editor. It says launch VSDC free video editor. Finish. And now it's opening up the video editor. So again wait for a while. It could take around 30 seconds to 1 minute. And here we are. Let's close this. And we have successfully downloaded and installed VSDC video editor on Windows 11. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.